For families in Middleton, home safety is always a top priority. Whether you're raising young children or have playful pets, it's important to make sure your home's features, including your windows, help create a secure and comfortable living environment. While windows are essential for ventilation and natural light, older or improperly designed ones can pose hidden risks. Modern replacement windows offer not only improved energy efficiency and style but also enhanced safety features designed to protect your loved ones. From advanced locking systems to impact-resistant glass, these upgrades can make a big difference in keeping children and pets safe while maintaining comfort and peace of mind. Child-proof locking systems for added security. One of the most important safety upgrades found in new replacement windows is improved locking mechanisms. Traditional windows often have basic latches that are easy for small hands to unlock or push open. Modern designs now include child safety locks and limiters that allow windows to open just a few inches, enough for fresh air, but not enough for a child to climb through. These safety locks are ideal for homes with second-story windows or elevated rooms, reducing the risk of falls. Some replacement windows even feature dual-action locks, which require a two-step motion to open, a simple but effective way to keep your home secure from both the inside and outside. Shatter-resistant and tempered glass. Another major safety feature of replacement windows is tempered or laminated glass. Unlike standard glass, which can break into sharp, dangerous shards, tempered glass is heat-treated to increase its strength. If it ever does break, it crumbles into small, dull pieces that are far less likely to cause injury. Laminated glass offers another layer of protection. It's made with an inner plastic film that holds the glass together, even if it cracks. This means it won't shatter into pieces, preventing cuts and keeping your home sealed from outside elements. For families in Middleton with pets or active kids, this type of durable glass adds peace of mind and extra safety in every room. Ventilation without risk. Every parent and pet owner knows the importance of fresh air, but open windows can pose a safety hazard if they're not properly designed. Modern replacement windows make it easy to ventilate safely without compromising protection. Double-hung and casement windows, for example, allow homeowners to open only the top sash, keeping the lower section closed and out of reach. Some models also come with ventilation limiters, which restrict how far a window can open. These small details can make a big difference in preventing accidental falls or escapes, all while letting you enjoy a breeze on a warm Middleton day. Pet-friendly window screens and materials. Pets love looking out the window, but that curiosity can sometimes lead to torn screens or accidental damage. Modern replacement windows can be fitted with pet-resistant screens made from durable materials like vinyl-coated polyester. These screens are much stronger than traditional mesh and can withstand scratching, pawing, and jumping, keeping your pets safe and your screens intact. For homes with cats or dogs that spend time near windows, these reinforced screens offer extra protection without blocking airflow or visibility. Increased home security. For every family, safety isn't just about preventing accidents, it's also about keeping your family protected from outside threats. Modern replacement windows come with multi-point locking systems that secure the window at multiple points along the frame, making it harder for intruders to force them open. For homeowners in Middleton, where neighborhood safety and peace of mind are top priorities, these features add an important layer of security without sacrificing style. Professional installation. For maximum safety, even the most advanced window technology won't perform properly without expert installation. Professional installers ensure your new windows are fitted securely, sealed properly, and fully functional. This not only prevents drafts and energy loss but also ensures every safety feature works as intended. By working with experienced local window professionals in Middleton, you can be confident your installation meets high standards for safety, efficiency, and longevity. Final thoughts. For families in Middleton, upgrading to modern replacement windows is an investment in safety, comfort, and peace of mind. With features like child-proof locks, shatter-resistant glass, and pet-friendly screens, today's windows are designed to protect what matters most, your loved ones. By partnering with trusted local experts for professional installation, you'll enjoy a safer, more comfortable home where children and pets can thrive. And you can relax knowing your windows are built to last.